Here in El Paso are assisting migrants who are trying to cross into the U.S. and those who are already here. ABC 7's Sam Harrison-Wowitz spoke with an immigration lawyer about why it's more challenging to help these groups of migrants. Sam.
Stephanie, with this ongoing migrant surge that we've been seeing today, I did speak with a local legal expert, and she broke down the criteria that allows some migrants to stay but causes many migrants to be forced to leave.
Any given time, we have about 2,000 legal cases open in our office.
Melissa Lopez, the executive director and attorney at the Diocesan Migrant and Refugee Services here in El Paso, works inside El Paso's Catholic Diocese to provide legal representation and advocacy to migrants. Their work is to help migrants through the immigration process and to see if they're allowed to stay on this side of the border.
If the decision is to grant them a benefit that allows them to stay in the U.S., then they obviously get to stay. But unfortunately, not everybody qualifies for a benefit. And so those that don't qualify do have to leave the United States.
Some of the criteria include country of origin or if they have a visa. A large number of current migrants we are seeing right now in El Paso are coming from Venezuela. And Lopez tells me that they are asylum seekers, not refugees, so they are not entitled to money from the U.S. government.
So an asylum seeker is somebody who comes to the United States and then seeks refuge once they're here, right? So they seek that benefit in the United States. A refugee is somebody who seeks essentially asylum status, but while they're still outside of the United States.
With the current massive number of migrants that the El Paso sector is seeing this year, it has put a strain on legal offices and especially volunteers inside the Diocese of El Paso working to support migrants directly. But Lopez says she believes that El Pasoans will always put others before themselves.
I have a lot of faith in our community. I have a lot of faith in El Pasoans and you know, El Paso steps up. When somebody needs our help, El Paso is always there to step up.
And Lopez tells me while all cases involving migrants are different, they do approach cases that involve individuals and families the same. Reporting live in downtown El Paso, I'm Sam Harrison-Wowitz, ABC 7.
All right, Sam, according